Your Excellency, you have proven to Nigerians that you are the lion that knows no defeat. You have proven to Nigerians that you are an unparalleled achiever. The records are there. They are well dotted in all the nooks and crannies of this state. And so I think that bringing back the issues and what you have done that speak for themselves about you will be belittling of you. Yesterday I was a bit scared when I saw gang-ups, backstabbings, and all that rained not too long ago, all in a bid to tabrush your person. I was a bit scared. But I know that you are somebody who believes in procedures. Nigerians, as we all know, do not like to pay taxes. They don't want to do the proper thing. And that you have come as the newest sheriff to say things must be done aright. And of course, people will complain. But I was pleasantly amazed when I watched and listened to Mr. President on his media chat. And Abate, Dr. Abate, being as technical as he was, trying to go around the issues, and the president first laughed. Nyesom Wike, he's a good man. He didn't only say that you're a good man, he said that you are a performing minister. And at that point, I rested my case. If the president had identified you as a good man, identified you as a performing minister in the cabinet, what else can anybody else say? And I'm sure, I know, I followed the activities on media. Nobody had come again to say land grabbing or no land grabbing. So, Excellency, I join my friends of the APC to congratulate the organizers of this program. We are members of Renewed Hope family. And so we will come anytime you invite us because it is our family. I want to join my friends to thank those who put this program together. I'm told that this program was conceived just 3 days ago, and we have seen this mammoth crowd. We have also seen the beautiful ambience that they have produced. We have also seen the beautiful speeches that they made from the bottom of their heart. Yesterday, finally, I joined my friend, Honorable Ibisowuche, to say on behalf of us, APC, that that pot of soup that we all cooked, that has now been stolen, God will help us to recover it in no time.